Bite the apple, trust a lie. One must fear in life to die. Speak the truth, and then you die. Speak of death, and then you lie.
Hello! Hello? Where am I?
What?
I said, where am I, and why am I here? And who are you?
I am your friend. Your only friend. How could you forget?
Well, I suppose I took a slip. Maybe I hit my head.
Supposing is the only way to get yourself farther from the truth.
And what do you mean by that?
I mean that. How do you know you bumped your head?
Well, do you know what happened?
It doesn't matter. You need to rest. Come sit down.
Good night.
But you haven't put your pajamas on yet.
I'm too tired.
Now, tell me your name.
My name is George.
George. That's a lovely name.
Why are you laughing? I demand to know where I am.
Don't open the door. Question those who know the truth, for they are treacherous souls. Worms and apples are not to be known, fill in the gaps and holes. Secrets hide within the brush, in only the deepest of wood.
You, my dear, are in the forever forest. An endless expanse of woodland.
You can't be serious. Where am I?
Stay totally still.
What the heck was that?
You need to stay quiet.
What is it? What's wrong?
It is the aura of secrets in this forest. It is the opaque dust, the veiled night sky, the shadow in the day.
What is it called?
It is called the rain.
Okay. And who is she?
She is a door to be left closed. Do not talk to her. Come, we must go.
Where are we going?
To find the apple, the golden apple.
A golden apple? What?
Yes, I must find it.
Look, I don't even know who you are.
You want to know who I am? I am the framer. I am here to frame the perfect frame. That is why I am seeking the apple so fervently. Do you trust me?
I need to know who you are, and I need to know where I
rain is
am.
good, the rain nourishes, cleanses, wash away the dirt and grime, wash away the gold, the rain, the birth and demise, blurs the truth to hide the lies. is nothing but untrue. It is a setup, it is a guided death. It is a hidden secret, it is hopeless. It is a frame, it is a lie, it is a murder of the truth and a loss of trust. It is not to be trusted. It is closed, it is closed. Don't open the door. Please don't open the door. The door, the door, the door. The rain is good.